Hi there, fellow trailblazers. I'm super excited to share with you the details of the most anticipated event in the India Salesforce community. Salesforce events are like the Diwali of the tech world. They're full of magic, excitement, and you never know what you'll get next. They're an amazing opportunity to learn, network, and have a great time. And let's face it, no one does it better than Salesforce. First up, we have Dreamforce. It's the big daddy of all, the Kumbh Mela of tech conferences. Then we have the Trailblazer DX. It's a 2-day extravaganza for developers or anyone who wants to connect with Salesforce developers. Next up, we have the Salesforce World Tours. Salesforce takes the show on the road and brings the party to major cities around the world. And let's not forget about the base camps. These are like the cozy chai shop of the Salesforce events, and they're smaller, more intimate meetings that Salesforce hosts around the world. Last, but most importantly, we have the community-led events. They're held across the globe throughout the year and are aptly called Dreamin events. They follow a similar agenda to the main Dreamforce event, but with a more community focus. India Dreamin is the headline event of the vibrant Indian Salesforce community and back with a bang. It's happening on the 20th of May in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. With its rich culture, heritage, and vibrant tech scene, Ahmedabad is the perfect location for India Dreamin. It is open to all Salesforce users, enthusiasts who share a passion for innovation. Whether you are a developer, admin, a partner, or a customer, or just a student, you'll have the chance to attend inspiring keynote speaker sessions and meet your peer from the Salesforce world, all under one roof. It features over 50 sessions, including keynote speeches, panel discussions, hands-on workshops, demo jams, and networking opportunities. India Dreamin is as sumptuous and colorful as a deluxe Indian thali. What makes it so special is the energy and enthusiasm of the Indian Salesforce community. At India Dreamin, you will meet Salesforce professionals from across the country, all united by their passion for innovation and their commitment to making a difference. So, Salesforce enthusiasts, what are you waiting for? Visit the India Dreamin website in the link below and register for this amazing event. Let's make India and the India community shine.